In this user guide segment, you will be guided on how to access your campaign batch link, how to use your campaign batch link in your campaign activities, and how to use your campaign batch link to sign up or register your sensitized persons on the BRAINPOWER Affiliate Partners campaign portal.
To enroll someone you have sensitized using your affiliate partners campaign batch link, follow these steps. Tap on the monitor campaign batch quick link over here, or you can go to the campaign manager campaign tracker link from here and tap on it like so to load up the campaign tracker module. Over here is a list of active campaign batches. Select a campaign batch link and then tap on the get link button over here. I tap the copy button over here to copy my campaign batch link, and then I distribute it to people I have sensitized. Let's make a little instead. Right now, someone I have sensitized takes my link and pastes it on his or her browser and then runs it. This is the interface that will be presented to such individual, and such individual is required to provide his or her PLB AFP code into this text field here. I'm just going to grab a random PLB AFP code and paste it in here like so. As you can see, it gets the name of the user and then also goes to check his or her account balance, and since there is no funds in it, we get the insufficient funds alert here. This will be the case most of the time if someone you've sensitized have not funded their wallet. So when you encounter this alert over here, what you are to do is to guide such individual on how to fund his or her wallet, and then come back and try again like so. Okay, so right now Kanobi Obi-Wan has funded his wallet, and having tried again, his wallet balance reflected, so I can tap on the submit button over here. In so doing, I have successfully enrolled Obi-Wan Kanobi, or Obi-Wan Kanobi has successfully joined my campaign batch link. Coming back to my campaign tracker module, I tap this button over here again, and then I scroll down. You can see that a commission has been earned here, and if I tap on this button over here, I can see Obi-Wan's profile because he's enrolled under my affiliate partners campaign batch link. So that is just the process required to enroll someone you've sensitized using your affiliate partners campaign batch link.